What's going on, guys? I'm David Stiley, and this is how to do standing single leg calf raise.
First, you'll need to set up an elevated surface to perform this exercise from, such as this angular 55-pound dumbbell. Set up your elevated surface next to a rig or a rack so that you can hold on and control your balance throughout the entire movement. Step up and rest the ball of your foot right on the edge of the surface. Keep your hips and your shoulders square to the wall in front of you the entire time. From there, allow your heel to drop all the way down, as far as your mobility will allow. Once at the very bottom, pause for 1 to 2 seconds and allow all of the elastic energy to dissipate within the calf. This ensures that all of your upward movement will be generated from muscular contraction. Initiate the calf raise by driving the ball of your foot and all of your toes downward into the elevated surface. Drive all the way to the top until you have absolutely reached the end range of motion and cannot rise your body up any higher. From there, begin to lower your body back down to the bottom in a controlled manner, and repeat the process as follows. Here are a couple of important notes to keep in mind. Once you reach the halfway mark of the raise, focus on driving through your big toe. Failing to drive through your big toe on the top half of the calf raise will cause your line of drive to be off-center, sending your calf raise through the smaller toes and the edge of your foot. You don't want this. You want your calf raise to be linear and in a vertical motion the entire time. Also, one of the benefits of performing these with your hands on the rack is that you can aid yourself at the end of a very tough set by slightly pulling your body up and lightening the load on the calf, ensuring you can perform all of your repetitions.